In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an inventory app in Glide. To begin, open your web browser and go to Glide. Glide is a no-code tool that turns simple data into powerful apps, so it's perfect for setting up a clean, reliable inventory. Give the page a moment to load so you're working with the latest interface. Next, sign into your account. Use your regular login details and make sure you're accessing the workspace where your projects live. If you're working across teams or multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right place so everything you create ends up where you expect it. Now, open the project you want to edit. This will be the app that holds your inventory data. Pick an existing project that makes sense for your workflow, something you already use, or a blank one you're ready to build on. Taking a second to confirm the project helps you stay organized and avoid mixing test data with live data. On the right sidebar, choose Table. This is where your app's data lives, and it's the backbone of how your inventory will function. Tables in Glide act like structured spreadsheets, giving you a consistent place to store each item and every detail about it. Selecting table sets the stage for clean, reliable records you can grow over time. Name it Inventory. A clear, descriptive name makes your data easy to find later, especially when your app grows to include multiple tables. Using a straightforward title like Inventory helps teammates immediately understand what the table contains and reduces confusion when you start referencing it elsewhere in the app. Add columns such as item name, quantity, and price. Item name identifies what you're tracking, so keep it clear and consistent. Use the exact names your team recognizes. Quantity is the number of units you have on hand. Keep it accurate and update it as stock changes. Price represents the cost per unit, which is essential for budgeting, reporting, and quick decisions. As you add these columns, think about how your team will search and sort them. Consistent capitalization and spelling will make filters and lookups work more smoothly. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing makes your changes available to use and share, and it's the moment your inventory becomes part of a working app. You can always return to this table to refine details or expand the structure as your needs grow. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.